Hello everyone, welcome to week 6 of your course, one of the most important weeks of your course plan. Why? Because you are going to do your case study. Case study is actually complete practical assignments for you for this course, and you have just one case study and it's designed for your week 6. That's why this video is recorded just for talking about your case study, your concern and question about the case study, especially for my online students, because I will talk in detail about the case study on Monday night class for my students, for my hybrid students. And this video is recorded for reviewing the requirements, expectations, and common questions for my online and also for my hybrid students that they cannot attend the class on Monday night. At first, let's open your course page. Okay. You can see your course page here. If you go on your week 6, you will see your case study here. Your case study, what do we see? Okay. For doing the case study, you need to respond the following 4 questions. It means that there are 4 questions you are going to respond. The first 3 questions, 1, 2, 3, for completing the question 1, 2, 3, you need to download the Excel files and the name of 2 Excel files. Actually, for doing this case study, it means you need to download the data set, like a data set that you practice in class with me on Excel files. I uploaded 2 Excel files for you. The name of Excel files, question 1, 2, 3, and bank call center. Okay, question 1, 2, 3 file. It means for responding the first 3 questions, you need to download this file. You need to use this file, question 1, 2, 3. Question 1, you need to just open your Excel file. The first worksheet, the name is McDonald's. One of the worksheets that you will see, McDonald's waiting times. You can open your Excel file. You can see the worksheet as McDonald's waiting times. And after opening, there are some expectations. Frequency distribution for the sandwiches. Probabilities. Consider the histogram for customer waiting time. You know how to develop this kind of analysis. Calculate the mean and standard deviation for your customers. You know how to work. Just open your Excel list of the Excel functions. You can find the average as a function, or you can type directly because we practice in class. And if you forgot how to use these functions, how to develop these tools and techniques, you can check the chapter. You can check the particular parts. For example, for week 2, you can see the supplementary videos. And if you go to supplementary videos and links, you can see the videos that I shared with you how to work with these kind of files in Excel. And also the Zoom recorded file for each week will be helpful for you because we practice in class and we recorded all practice on your Zoom session. So you need to open the Excel file, question 1, 2, 3. For question 1, you need to work on your first worksheet, McDonald's worksheet. After doing on these kind of calculations, second worksheet on your first Excel file would be the airplane. And I expect to find the relationship between 2 variables. You know, the scatter diagram is the helpful method for finding the relationship between 2 variables. Just you need to select your variables and then find the relationship between these 2 variables using the scatter diagram. And third question, you need to find the gasoline price and what is appropriate tools for finding the trend of some variables. You know, the line chart would be the appropriate for finding the trend of your variables. So for third question, it's easy. You can do it in less than 10 minutes, less than 10 seconds. And this is descriptive analysis. This is the first 3 questions just about the descriptive analysis using the numerical measurement and some visualization techniques like charts, scatter chart, line chart, histogram, and these kind of tools. And the last question is about the hypothesis testing. I gave you a significance level, and you are going to do hypothesis testing for the data that you that you're given in bank call center. You need to just open the bank call center and you can see the information for your question, significance level. Just you need to find the statistics, cutoff points, and then make decision. That's it. There's nothing else. The practice that we did in class several times, so there's no worries about how to do this kind of question. That's final reminder. You need to take a look at your final. I expect you to write your analysis. It means when you develop a histogram, I need to write your analysis, and I expect you to submit your report on Word format, on documents format, or PDF format instead of Excel files. If you develop a histogram, just right-click, copy, and then paste on your report. I expect to see a report on your data. The first is descriptive analysis, and after each tools, after each diagram, you need to write a paragraph about analysis. For example, after developing histogram, I expect you to see, for example, the shape of, is it symmetric or not? I see that, for example, histogram seems bell-shaped, symmetric, or for example, scatter diagram indicates for example, second question, existence of the relationship between these two variables or not. So I expect you to write your own comments as a report, listing the outputs as a numbers and data. And finally, about your hypothesis, I expect you to write your comment. What is your conclusion? What's your decision for this claim about your population parameter? And you are going to submit. If you need more information, you can see some guidelines on your course page to how to write your case study report. If you have any more question, concern, confusion, just send me email and ask your question. This is your complete instruction for practicing on real-world data. I tried to cover all topics that we practice in class. Thank you for watching this video. See you Monday night. Bye.